Hello Math 1 students, I hope you guys are doing good. This is our last video for the school year. I am closing the grade book on the 5th. So whatever you can get in this week is what's going to get graded, alright? I have to go back to the classroom later this week and start cleaning it out. So I might record a little bit of that too and post it on my YouTube channel. I made this new banner for us of our virtual classroom because I'm really going to miss you guys. I'm not going to see you guys for a few months if I get the chance to see you again next year. But for this week, let's see what we got. Here's week 6. Let's look at our agenda. We do have an ed puzzle on triangle congruence theorems, and then you have a homework, and I would like you to do all the problems on the homework pages 12 and 13. Make sure you scan and submit those on Google Classroom, and then for the rest of the week, just try to work on that quizzes. I'm thinking about this like a quiz. I'm trying to see how much you guys actually learned in the last 2 weeks, so that means that you can take that more than once. So day 1, watch the video, do the check-in form, ed puzzle, and then do the homework. Day 2, just do the quizzes. Take it at least once. If I were you, I'd do it maybe 2 or 3 times, and I'm going to keep your highest score. So I'm going to think of that as your effort. How many times are you trying and if you're improving, okay? So let's, there's your check-in form. This is the ed puzzle. Here's the homework. Let's take a look at it. Remember, the homework was on pages 12 and 13, so we're going to have to do some scrolling. And there it is. So here's 12. It asks you if they are congruent, and if you think they are, you have to tell me why, how you know. These ones are asking you if there's anything additional needed to use this theorem on these triangles. And if there is, I want you to tell me what's missing. If there's not, then you can say no additional information needed. And then down here, I want you to try to tell me which of these 4 congruence theorems applies here. So for example, for this one, I would say triangle ABC is congruent to, and I have to name this triangle over here. Well, if I went from A to B to C, I went through the one that had no lines on it and then through the single line towards the one arc. So that means I'm going to have to go R, W, I. No lines, single line, and towards that arc. Okay, so I would say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RWI by, and I can see here that that's side, angle, side. If that doesn't make any sense to you right now, that's okay because you haven't seen the lesson yet. Watch the lesson, come back and watch this and see if that helps. And then down here, it's giving you like a puzzle. So for example, number 1, we just got RWI. I would write in here R, I'd write here a W, and I would write here an I. Okay, and then at the end of this, it's going to be a phrase. It's kind of a weird phrase. It's not really a joke. So sorry if it kind of catches you off guard there. And then there's the quizzes I was telling you about. You should be able to take it as many times as you want, and like I said, that's going to be considered effort for me that you're really trying. And I can see all your attempts, and I can see how long it takes you. So if you're just flying through that thing in like 3 minutes or a minute and a half, I know you're not really taking it seriously. Okay, let's set that due date. I know we got until the 6th, but like I said, I'm closing the grade book after this is done, so I hope you guys don't try to get your grade up next week because it's just going to be too late then. All right, take care, guys. Email me, text me. Hope you guys are doing as best as you can. Bye.